Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Everybody keep
Good
your
morning, ma'am.
audio in muted position. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Mute it. Everybody mute it. So today we are going to learn about the minerals. Okay. Minerals. These are needed by our body in small amounts, not in a large amount. We need it in small amounts, but also they help in the proper growth of our body and to maintain good health. So these minerals, even though they needed in our body in small amounts, but also these help in the proper growth of our body. Okay, and to maintain good health. Okay, let me ask you, Arjun Krishna. Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me any of the minerals, name of any of the minerals? Any minerals?
Vitamins.
Vitamin is another nutrient. We are now discussing about minerals. Any of the mineral?
Iron.
Okay, Arjun Krishna. Yes. Yes.
Iron.
Iron. Very good. Iron. So, what is the function of iron in our body? What is the function of iron in our body? Arjun, can you try it? What is the function of iron in our body? Why we need iron in our body? All others can think it, okay? I will ask. Okay, if you don't know, no problem. I will call Atul. Atul, just give a try. Just give a try. Why we need iron in our body? Yes.
Ma'am, for eyes.
For the eyesight, to get good eyesight. Okay, please mute it. Who know the answer? Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, just raise your hand. Who know the answer? Okay, Francis. Oh, Francis. Please unmute yourself
For
and give.
the blood cells. It
Okay,
helps
yeah,
for
iron helps in the production of blood cells. They help in producing blood cells. Okay, so sometimes, okay, when you become ill, you may be taken to the doctor, right? So the doctor may advise you to eat some food substance that contain iron, especially spinach, then bitter gourd, some dates, these all things, right? These all contain iron. So if you are eating iron, your body will produce more and more blood cells. So your body will be rich in blood. If in your body, if the blood is rich in your body, you may be very energized. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So iron,
Yes, ma'am.
iron is producing blood cells. Okay, so it is an important one. So now I want to share one screen. Okay, just see it. Just see it. Before that, all should check whether your audio is in muted position. All. Okay. Now, can you see one picture on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This picture shows some food items from which we can get iron. Okay, from which we can get iron. So you can see some vegetables are there. So many green leafy vegetables, right? Green
Yes,
color
ma'am.
leafy
Yes, ma'am.
vegetables and red meat also. I think you know the names of these all things, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what you should check it. Are you doing taking these all food items in your diet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
Yes,
if
ma'am.
this diet contains any of these food items, you should check it, right? If it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not there today itself, you should add these all things in your diet. Okay, will you do that?
Yes,
Will you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Anthony, Vijo, please switch on the video. See, I can hear some disturbing sounds from your house. I don't know whose house it is from. Please check whether it is muted or not. Somebody's audio is not muted. That is why I can't take the class. We will lose time. Okay? Okay. Now, so iron. We told about the iron. Yes, now we can see what is next. Okay, calcium. Calcium.
Yes.
Okay. So, Sri Rudra, I want the answer from Sri Rudra. Sri Rudra, please unmute it. Sri Rudra. Okay.
Ma'am.
Do you heard about calcium?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a mineral, right? Okay. What is the function of calcium in our body? What is the function of calcium in our body? Where are you? I can't see you.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What is the function of calcium in our body? What is the
Ma'am,
use
can I
of calcium? Okay,
Ma'am,
one minute. As Rudra
Ma'am.
can't say that
Ma'am.
answer. Who is ready? Tell me the name.
Ma'am, Brisapi.
Ma'am, Ananya ke
Ma'am
Vijesh.
Devika.
Okay.
Ma'am,
one
Ananya
minute.
ke.
Okay, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why we need calcium in our body? What is the function of
Ma'am.
calcium in our body?
Ma'am,
Ananya.
calcium keeps our bone healthy, bones, teeth, and all.
Okay. Calcium is required for a healthy bones and teeth. Am I right? So calcium
ma'am.
makes
Yes,
our
ma'am.
bones and teeth healthy. So it is very important. If you want to walk, if you want to stand erect, this calcium will help you. So why some of your videos are mute, closed? Ayush, Nihal, Savio, switch on in your videos. I want to see it. Everybody. Okay. Can you see some food items in the screen? Can you see some food
Yes,
items?
ma'am.
Okay. The food items which can produce calcium. Okay. Taneka.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
From the
ma'am.
picture. From the picture. Can you tell me which all food items produces calcium in our body?
Milk,
Okay. Milk and milk products. Okay.
canned milk
Milk
products.
products.
Then
Yes.
nuts.
Okay. Nuts.
Then
Okay.
then like salted
Okay. So
fish.
okay. Mainly we get calcium from some Savio. Mute your audio. Tanika, please mute it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now whose audio is not muted? Malavika Bini, mute your audio. Why should I call your name and to tell? You can hear so much disturbing sounds. Am I right? With this sound, how can I proceed? So keep close your audio. Switch Ameya, switch on the video. Aaron, Anthony also, I want to see your video. I want to see your face. I want to know whether you are attending the class or not. Simply keeping it or not. Switch on. Aaron also, switch on. Okay, so we were talking about calcium. Which all are rich in calcium? Which all food items are rich in calcium? That we want to see, right? Again, I will share the screen. While when I share the screen, I can hear a lot of disturbing voice. Okay, why I am sharing this screen? I am showing some food items which can produce calcium in your body. So you should understand those food items and to include those food items in your diet. Then only you will become healthy. Okay? Okay. So, can you see this? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now listen. So this calcium we get from milk and milk products. It is an essential thing. Okay, calcium is very essential for our body. So you never skip drinking milk. Okay, if you don't like to drink milk, you can use milk products such as butter, cheese, paneer, cream, buttermilk. So many types of food items are there. So you can choose any of this. Okay, but never skip it. These are the main food
There, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Are you there?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, are you there?
Are you there? Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am,
Power failure. Power fail.
just wait.
Read the race.
Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's shoot out one small technical error. That is why you can't see me at that time. Okay. Now I think you can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can continue our class. We were talking about different types of minerals, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I have to again. I have again to load the easy board. 1 minute. Please wait. Up to that time, you can think about iodine. Did you heard about iodine?
Yes, ma'am.
Iodine.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Iodine, potassium, sodium. These all are some of the minerals. Okay, that are very.
Ma'am, zinc is a mineral.
Sorry. 1 minute.
Zinc is a mineral.
Zinc. Okay, zinc is also a mineral. Okay. I made everything ready before that, but after this, okay, let me see.
Ma'am, in some salt there is iodine, right?
Iodine, yes, iodine, salt, right. 1 minute. Let it to load. Okay. So iodine is we should use salt which contain iodine. Okay. Then only we will get the iodine from that. See, iron we already checked it, right? We learned about the calcium. Next we can see magnesium. I will tell about iodine also. Okay. So magnesium is also an important mineral. Okay. When you eat bananas, see so many things are there. Milk product also, leafy vegetables also. These also contain magnesium. Okay. So while you see these all food items, you should note down which all you like it most and which all food items can produce these minerals. You should choose the food diet which can give you these all minerals. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so magnesium and another one mineral, it is copper. Okay, copper is also needed in our body, but in small amount, not like iron, magnesium, potassium, sodium, like this. This magnesium, potassium, sodium, these all minerals are needed in larger quantities compared to that. Say, you have heard about if your grandparents are lack of sodium or potassium. Likewise, you heard about it, right? When the people become old, there are sometimes they may in their body sodium or potassium may be very low. At that time, they will lose their memory. So we have to take them to the hospitals and to give this sodium or potassium, these minerals. So these sodium, potassium, like these minerals are very important. Okay. So are you seeing this copper rich food items?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sri Rudra, please mute your audio. Yes. Yes. Who wants to talk to me? Okay. Next one, we can see which one it is. Okay. This also zinc. Somebody asked me, right? Is zinc
Ma'am, I asked, ma'am.
Okay. So zinc is also an important mineral. From these all food items, you will get zinc. So if you are keeping almost a vegetables, leafy vegetables, if you are including pulses, these all, some meat, red meat, these all contain almost all the minerals. Okay. Next one, we can see some more like phosphorus. These all food items contains the phosphorus. Okay. Another one. Okay. So after this, we can learn about these minerals. Different types of minerals. These are needed by our body in small amounts, but also very important for our body function. It helps in the proper growth of body and to maintain good health. I hope you know well about these minerals. Okay. Yes. Can you hear me, dear students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So, okay, everybody mute your audio. So, when you see these food items, you can understand that most of the food items usually have more than one nutrient. Am I right? From the pulses.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
From the pulses, we will get proteins, then minerals. These sources, more than one nutrients are present there. Say, when we take rice, in the case of the rice contains carbohydrates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
not
Yes,
only
ma'am.
this carbohydrates, it contains some vitamins also. Some minerals also are present in that. But yes, yes, tell me. Okay. See, it's not clear. It's not clear. So these all things, rice contains more than this nutrient, but it is carbohydrates are present in large quantity in rice. So we can call rice as energy carbohydrate rich food. Even though rice contains more than one nutrient, more than carbohydrate, it contains some vitamins and minerals also. But as the quantity of carbohydrate is more in rice, we can call this rice as carbohydrate rich food. Like the same case with leafy vegetables. You have seen, no? Leafy vegetable almost contain all nutrients, right? But they are very much rich in the iron. Okay, so we can select the iron, select the leafy vegetables to get iron. Like eggs. Eggs are also contain so much of nutrients, but it is rich in proteins. Got it? Got it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
most of the food items usually have more than one nutrient. Then also there will be the quantity of one nutrient will be more than the other. Okay. So this much we learned about these nutrients. If we are including the food items which contain these all nutrients, will we be healthy? Will we be healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Healthy,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
have to drink a lot of water also along with it. Okay, we should drink a lot of water. Why we should drink water? Why? Can you tell? Can anybody tell the reason for why we have to drink water? Anybody? Okay, Smriti. Smriti, unmute yourself and please share that.
Ma'am, if we
Water
don't
is
drink
good for
water,
health.
Say one Smriti is saying, others please listen. In between, I will give some others also chance. Okay, Smriti, continue.
ma'am, if we don't drink water, then maybe our kidneys may get damaged.
Our kidneys will become damaged. Okay, what makes the kidneys to damage?
Ma'am, if we don't,
Think
if we
it.
don't
Think it.
drink water, then the our body it will get an excess amount of salt. So if we drink water, the
Okay.
salt will get the
Out
amount
of
of
our
salt.
body as waste. Am I right? Get out of our body as waste. Okay, good. Now mute yourself. So water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It helps in digestion, right? In the smaller classes, you had learned about it, right? Water helps in our digestion. And not only that, it throws out water from body as urine or as sweat also. Excess water takes the unwanted things. Excess water takes the unwanted things of our body as urine and also as sweat. Through the urine, some undigested food substances will be there. From that, it will take these water contents and it will throw it out. And through the sweat, it will throw out the excess salt which is produced in our body. So water is very essential. It helps in the digestion and also in the excretion. Am I right? Excretion. Excretion
Yes.
means throwing
Yes,
out,
ma'am.
throwing
Excess.
out waste from our body.
Body.
Okay, throwing out waste from our body. We have to remove all the waste from our body, as in the solid form and also in the liquid form. So, if we want to throw these all solid and liquid waste, we should drink a lot of water. Otherwise, these all won't be working. And so, we should include all the nutrients. We should drink lots of water. Minimum 2 liters of water we have to consume it daily. Okay. It can be through that milk or other some tea or juices or plain water also we can use like this. Okay. And next one, along with these nutrients and water, one more thing we should include in our food. Can you tell me about it? You heard about this word in the smaller classes. The fibers, dietary fibers. Did you hear about that word? Dietary fibers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Dietary fibers. Another name of it is roughates. Roughates. I think that word is familiar too, right? Roughates. Did you learn about that one? No. Okay. So now you can read it. Okay. Can you see a board in your screen?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see it? Okay. What it is written there? Dietary fibers or roughates. Or roughates. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So dietary fibers or roughates. See the spelling of roughates. Roughates. See, you can. It is very easy for you to learn. Rough book. You know the spellings, right? ROUGH. Then age also you want to add it. That is roughates. The other name of it is dietary fibers. Okay. Okay. Just can you tell me what is roughage or dietary fibers? Anybody? You don't know about it. See? Okay, Smriti only knows it. Okay, Smriti. Okay, let Smriti to tell it. Okay. Smriti, what it is dietary fibers or roughage? Can you give some example for
Ma'am,
that?
Ma'am,
Yes.
fibers they include
Okay,
Ma'am,
wheat.
leaf.
Not atta, wheat. Okay. Okay. Sanika, please listen. I will give you chance. Okay. Okay, wheat. Okay, then
leafy vegetables.
sorry, leafy vegetables and also all the vegetables. Okay, all the fruits. See, it is advised to take the fruits as such, not as a juice. Juice is also good, but if you are eating apple as such itself, it is better than the juice. Okay. Can you hear me, dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. In between, just the screen becomes shared. Okay. So this dietary fibers means it is an essential component of our food. It is an essential component of our food which helps our body to get rid of undigested food. So if you are eating the apple as such itself without making it into juice, that apple contains some fibers. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
The apples or the mangoes or all the fruits contain so many fibers inside. So if you are eating that raw fruit, that fibers will get into your body. These fibers help to get rid of undigested food. Understood? So if you are drinking a juice, that fiber, we will be filtering that juice, right? So we will using one strainer, we will filter that juice. So that all fibers will be, we will remove it from the juice. So if we are not eating that fiber, the movement of the undigested food will not be proper. So, if we want to get rid of the waste from our body, we should include these dietary fibers. Say we have to eat fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, then potatoes, sweet potato. These all contain a lot of fiber. Like rice, wheat, these whole grains, these all contain this dietary fiber. So if we include these all food items in our body, in our body, we will get these fibers. Okay, so it is, if it is possible, you should choose the fruits and vegetable as it is in the raw form. Okay, you can avoid the juices of that fruit. If you are eating that fruits itself, you will get a lots and lots of dietary fibers. Another name of this dietary fiber is
Roughage.
roughage. Okay, so I will send notes today. You have to write down it. Okay, so I think you should read the textbook. Everything is there in the textbook. You please read it, mark it, and according to the questions, you have to find out the answer. Okay, so today, now it is the time to wind up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Who wants to ask?
Ma'am, ma'am, Emil.
Emil. Yes, Emil. Just
Ma'am, I forgot what is iron. Ma'am, like function of iron.
function. Okay, iron produces blood cells. Okay.
Okay,
Iron
ma'am.
the main function of iron is to produce blood cells.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So it is now time to wind up today's class. Hope you all enjoyed today's class.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can meet
Yes, ma'am.
in the
Thank you,
textbook.
ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, thank